What's up, y'all? It's Kirsten from Path to Summit LLC, a virtual project management firm that provides project staffing, project guidance, and creates PMOs for organizations all over the globe. If you're like us, you use multiple tools across the cloud. We utilize the GDrive, as well as Monday.com, Slack, Calendly, and many, many others. A lot of these tools can actually talk to one another, whether it be a native integration, a third-party helper like Zapier or Make.com, or an open API or development of an app. Having these tools integrated can save a lot of manual time. Today, I'm going to show you how integrating the GDrive can assist you and provide a focused effort for the documentation within your projects in Monday.com. Let's take a look. Here I am within one of my client boards. We can attach documents a few different ways. The first way would be by adding a column, searching for files, or choosing it in the dropdown, selecting files, and here is this column. When I click on Add or Manage Files for this row, I can upload it from the computer, a Monday doc. There are many options here of how to upload your documentation. I'm going to choose from Google Drive. I'm going to authorize Google Drive, and here I can easily search and attach it. Voila, here it is. Now, every time I access this document, it is going to open a link and send me directly to that document on my GDrive. It's the actual link to the document. If any updates are made there, this link would bring you to the most updated documentation. Another way of adding documents would be to click on the Add to Conversation, aka an update. Right here, you can click on Files and drag and drop to add a file. Within your updates, you can actually click on the update and add files right here. Again, there are multiple options to choose from. When choosing from Google Drive, the same authorization window comes up, and then I'm able to type in whatever document I am looking for or look through the different locations that are provided right here within Google Drive. I simply select, and here it is. You can also create a view of all of the files that you have uploaded. You would simply click on this plus sign here and choose to add the files gallery. Within this files gallery, once updated, it will reflect all of the different files that have been added. I'm going to add an actual file from my computer to show you what this looks like in the files gallery. I have chosen a PDF that lives right here in this location as I've just uploaded it. Let's go back to our files gallery and see what it looks like. In our files gallery, you can see right here that the PDF is reflected, but the Google document that I attached is not. When you attach a Google document or a Google Sheet, it will not show up in the files gallery, which is better, attaching documentation here into updates or attaching them in their own files column. Ultimately, that's just a preference. I prefer utilizing a column and attaching them here so that I can look quickly without having to go further into the specific conversation. My preference is to always be able to see the files that are attached. Instead of switching between tabs or going into the GDrive and hunting down what you're looking for, try attaching into a Monday.com board for ease, accessibility, and less time wasted. Have questions? Comment below. We actually respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our Path to Summit channel for more project management tips, tricks, and software tutorials.